Compass Publishing.
Volume is the measure of how much space a solid, liquid, or gas takes up. We use measurements of volume all the time in our everyday lives. We use volume to measure things when we're cooking. What are some other situations when we need to measure volume? Anytime we need to fill a space with a certain amount of something, we need to measure volume. One example is when we decide how much we want to drink. Deciding whether you want a 250 milliliter bottle of juice or a 500 milliliter bottle of juice is just one example. Another example is filling up a swimming pool with water. Do you know how much water an Olympic-sized swimming pool can hold? It can hold 2,500,000 liters of water. That's enough water for more than 11,300 people to drink for a whole year. It's important to understand how to measure volume. That way, we can make good decisions and not waste things.